Hello, family of faith. I just want to take a few minutes and talk to you about some exciting things that are happening in our church. As you know, we're in the process of regathering. I want to thank everybody who's watching online or coming to the outdoor service at 9:30 on Sunday morning at the entrance to Hometown Kyle. And I thank those that are now coming back to the sanctuary at 11 o'clock on Sunday morning. It's a wonderful time as we go through the process of regathering together. The next step in that process is going to take place on October the 18th. We're going to offer children's church through the age of fourth grade that will include nursery. So nursery through fourth grade in the fellowship hall of the church and in the nursery during the worship service at 11 o'clock on Sunday morning. I'm excited about our next step together as we regather. Well, this month, the month of October, our theme is a house of prayer. Prayer changes everything. We're asking you to prayerfully consider just doing a couple very simple things this month. First is spend some time each day personally with the Lord, just in Bible study and prayer, speaking with Him. If you need help for that, you can find a link to a resource on the website. The second thing we're encouraging all of our family faith to do is just spend some time each day with your family in prayer. It might just be a couple minutes after your meal together in the evening. Just a time of prayer and study. Again, there's a link for some resources for that online on the website. The third thing we're asking all of our family of faith to consider is to prayer walk as a family. Just to get outside and walk around your neighborhood. Pray for your neighbors, pray for their homes, pray for their families. If God makes a divine appointment where you can meet someone, introduce yourself. You may want to ask them a couple very simple questions. The first might be, is there anything that we can be praying with you about right now? And be ready to pray with them. The second might be, is there anyone that you know that has a need right now? If they express a need that you can't meet, please call us in the church office, and we'll help that need to be met in the love of Jesus Christ. Well, prayer changes everything. This month, during the month of October, there'll be a number of other things happening. We'll keep you informed as the days grow closer. But let us be called a house of prayer, because we know that in prayer, God works in miraculous ways. Thank you for all you're doing in Jesus' name.